So what I've done is, on this particular piece of work, so I've put these two holes too close together. The top of this needs to be about 1.5 mils further that way. So I'm going to show how you can move a hole without crying into your soup that you've wrecked your work. First thing you're going to need is a file, and what you do is you move the top of the hole to where you want it to be. So we'll get that done quick. Give it a test again. Alright, so I can see now I'm in the place I actually want the work to be. But what I've got now is an oversized space for it to go in. So we take this all apart and we just hammer that bit shut. Nice and straightforward. So I pop the work onto something that will support the curve and just push it back. Now I'm working the inside just so the outside doesn't need too much work afterwards, but equally you could do it this way if it's difficult, and just work that hole back to where it needs to be. Start a little ways off the space and then move into it, dragging that metal like a little wave towards it. There we go, not too much damage to the front surface, but only got to give it a touch back. Get a look, make sure it's about the right size, still do with about another 1/2 mil. So back to it. That'll do us. Don't be tempted to go straight to the edge of the hole and work this material into it, because it'll just be too thin. You want to move it nicely. There we go. So just give this a go and we'll be done.